UW-Madison freshmen are packing their bags and heading home.
The families are filling campus parking lots, trying to move them out as quickly as possible, unsure when or if they'll be coming back to dorms during this academic school year. Our Amanda Quintana live on campus with how students are feeling about all this. Amanda?
Yes, a lot of students that I talked to today say they're feeling really sad about this. They're feeling stressed out because they were really just notified about this on a Wednesday, that they have to be out by Sunday, and it's all happening so fast. A lot of the international students are allowed to stay here in the dorms, but others are heading to the airport. Many from the Midwest have their parents here picking them up. This isn't how any of them wanted their first year of college to end. It's emotional for some, telling me they're bummed that they have to leave their roommates and their friends, and they're unsure if they'll even be allowed back before the summer.
If we get the notification that we might stay online for the whole semester, then it's like, well, I gotta kind of pack as much as I can, and it's just like, oh my gosh, everything is going on at once.
Students feel like they might be home through the summer. I've also been told the Badger buses have been canceled, so some families are also offering to take their students' dorm mates, their roommates too, and drop them off along the way as they head home. But a lot of the feelings here are both sadness and confusion. They don't know when they're going to be allowed back. They don't know how online classes will go, so it's really all up in the air.
Man, it is so stressful for students and parents.
Just not the way it was supposed to go. Well,
Amanda Quintana live on campus. Amanda, thank you.